Chapter 9: Maximizing LinkedIn Recommendations and Endorsements. LinkedIn recommendations and endorsements play a vital role in building credibility, trust, and a strong personal brand on the platform. In Chapter 9, we will explore strategies for maximizing the power of LinkedIn recommendations and endorsements. By actively seeking recommendations, giving endorsements, and leveraging these features effectively, you can enhance your professional reputation, strengthen your network, and attract new opportunities. The importance of recommendations and endorsements. Recommendations and endorsements on LinkedIn serve as social proof of your skills, expertise, and professional character. They provide validation from colleagues, clients, and other connections, enhancing your credibility and trustworthiness. Recommendations offer detailed testimonials that highlight your strengths, while endorsements validate your skills with a simple click. These features significantly impact how others perceive you and can influence their decision to connect, hire, or collaborate with you. Seeking recommendations. Actively seeking recommendations is an effective way to showcase your expertise and build a strong personal brand on LinkedIn. Here are some strategies to maximize your recommendations. A. Identify relevant contacts. Consider individuals who have worked closely with you and can speak to your skills, work ethic, and accomplishments. This may include colleagues, supervisors, clients, or partners. B. Personalize your request. When reaching out for a recommendation, personalize your message to provide context and remind the person of your collaboration or working relationship. Clearly explain why you value their opinion and how their recommendation will benefit both parties. C. Provide guidance. To make it easier for the person writing the recommendation, provide specific guidance on the key areas you would like them to focus on. For example, you can suggest highlighting specific projects, skills, or qualities that you would like to showcase. D. Follow up and express gratitude. Once you receive a recommendation, express your gratitude by sending a personalized thank you message. Building and maintaining strong relationships is essential for long-term success on LinkedIn. Giving thoughtful endorsements. Endorsements are a quick and easy way to validate someone's skills and contribute to their professional reputation. Here's how to give thoughtful endorsements. A. Be genuine. Only endorse someone for skills you have personally observed or experienced. Endorsements should reflect your honest opinion and be based on your first-hand knowledge of the person's abilities. B. Select relevant skills. Focus on endorsing skills that are relevant to the person's professional goals and expertise. This ensures that your endorsements are meaningful and align with their personal brand. C. Provide context. When endorsing someone, consider adding a brief note or comment to provide context and highlight specific examples of their skills in action. This adds value to your endorsement and makes it more impactful. D. Engage in reciprocal endorsements. Consider endorsing professionals in your network who have endorsed you. Reciprocal endorsements strengthen professional relationships and demonstrate your willingness to support others. Displaying recommendations and endorsements. To maximize the impact of recommendations and endorsements, ensure they are prominently displayed on your LinkedIn profile. Here's how to showcase them effectively. A. Arrange recommendations strategically. Organize your recommendations to highlight the most relevant and impressive ones. Feature those from influential individuals or high-profile clients at the top of your recommendations section. B. Highlight key skills. LinkedIn allows you to select up to 50 skills to display on your profile. Choose skills that are most relevant to your personal brand and showcase the ones with the highest number of endorsements. C. Request LinkedIn recommendations from colleagues. You can ask for recommendations directly from your connections using LinkedIn's built-in recommendation request feature. This makes it convenient for your contacts to provide recommendations and ensures they appear on your profile. Engaging with recommendations and endorsements. Engagement is crucial when it comes to recommendations and endorsements on LinkedIn. Show appreciation to those who provide recommendations or endorsements by liking, commenting, or sending a personalized message to express your gratitude. Engage with their content, provide support, and maintain strong relationships within your network. Leveraging recommendations and endorsements for networking and job opportunities. LinkedIn recommendations and endorsements not only strengthen your personal brand, but also open doors to networking and job opportunities. Here's how to leverage them effectively. A. Share recommendations on other platforms. If appropriate, showcase your LinkedIn recommendations on other professional platforms, such as your personal website or online portfolio. This demonstrates the positive feedback you have received and boosts your credibility beyond the LinkedIn platform. B. Utilize recommendations in job applications. When applying for job positions, include select recommendations that align with the requirements of the role. This provides hiring managers with additional insights into your skills and work ethic. C. Leverage recommendations for networking. Share relevant recommendations when reaching out to new contacts or when attending networking events. This helps establish credibility and trust from the outset, making it more likely for others to engage and connect with you. D. Provide recommendations and endorsements to others. Show support for your connections by providing recommendations and endorsements to deserving individuals in your network. This helps foster mutually beneficial relationships and encourages others to reciprocate. By actively seeking recommendations, giving thoughtful endorsements, and leveraging these features strategically, you can maximize their impact on your personal brand, networking efforts, and job opportunities.